Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Tilly, and in today's video you're gonna be spending the day with me as I go to school, run errands, and I'm planning on baking later on. So yeah, so stick with me because I'm so excited about this video. So happy with the support you guys have been giving me. So happy. Thank you a lot. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment what types of videos you would like to see from me. So without further ado, baby, let's get into the video. Hey guys, I'm currently in my mom's car and going to my school. She's gonna drop me off and then she's gonna go to work. So yeah.
First floor, again. The sun connect coordination, again.
Guys, I'm leaving school now. I just finished attending so now I'm going to the shopping complex to run a few errands, and of course I'm gonna take you along with me.
Yeah, guys, you know, he met us while he was doing his hair vlog. Yeah. Ash.
Come after my classmates.
Yo, hello guys. How are you guys?
Guys, I'm in the shop. I'm looking for a few things, but I can't seem to find them, so oh goodness. Hey guys, I just got back. I'm tired. I went to Mr. Price, this clothing store here, and then I spent like 100 rands. I got myself some slippers. It's Mr. Price, and then I got new slippers. Cause my old ones, let me show you guys. I have old slippers, and right now they look bad. They're not giving. So I got these, and they're so nice. I'm so happy. And I got a small cake, so stick to that, because I'm planning on celebrating hitting 22,300 subscribers. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of you guys. I'm so grateful. Oh my god. So I want to make a video list for me to upload basically, and don't forget to leave what you guys would like to see from me down in the comment section below, because this is our thing, baby. So yeah, I literally woke up 5:30 a.m. in the morning, and I'm just gonna sleep. Yes, I'm just gonna sleep, and then so stick to that, baby. So guys, right here I was just writing a few things down. Remember when I told you that I wanted to write video ideas for the channel, video ideas that I wanted to upload? So this is what I wrote down. So like guys, I wrote a couple things down. Like, just subscribe and you're gonna see what I'm talking about, because this is the real deal. This is way too good. Clock there. Remember when I told you I got a small cake?
What if I was out creeping? Just a few for the weekend. Don't let you know when I'm with you. What if I was disloyal? Put all the niggas before you, but I still put it on for you. Don't say I'm sorry, just for you. So what if I gave you a piece of your way? Let another nigga see how it tastes. Get you imagine it all on his face. Go through my text and he calling me back. Yeah. What if I'm choosing? Catch you out here looking stupid. Can I tell you I can't do this? Try to do for you, it's open.
Guys, I'm so happy. Oh my god. We did this. We did this. Okay. Guys, I'll forever be grateful to 22,000 of you people. Like, I'm so grateful, honestly. It just means a lot. Thank you so much. You have no idea how much this has changed my life. And I'm just hoping that we grow together, we grow more into a really supportive family. Thank you a lot, guys. Thank you.
But I still put it on for you. Don't say I'm sorry, just for you. So what if I gave you a piece of your way? Let another nigga see how it tastes. Can you imagine it all on his face? Go through my text and he calling me babe.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat the cake now. First bite to y'all guys. Thank you. It's so good. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm such a messy eater. 22,000. That's crazy. Guys, over here it was later during the day. I was really tired, but I craved some brownies and cookies, so I baked them for my family. And yeah, so if you guys want the recipe, you can comment down in the section below, where I can make a proper video and show you how I make brownies and cookies while we do a Q&A. Yeah, while we do a Q&A. So that really sounds good. So yeah, I'm really grateful for everything and the support. So I just wanted to bake that just to show my gratitude and how grateful I actually am.
What if I was out creeping? Disappear for the weekend. Don't let you know when I'm leaving. What if I was disloyal? Put all the niggas before you, but I still put it on for you. Don't say I'm sorry, just for you. So what if I gave you a piece of your way? Let another nigga see how it tastes. Can you imagine it all on his face? Go through my text and he calling me babe. Yeah. What if I'm choosing? Catch you out here looking stupid. Then I tell you I can't do this. Tired of the fighting, it's looping.